Right, here goes, another review for everybody. This one I've grown, it's a Jigsaw Cross Fatale. And let's see. I'm going to keep the seeds to this one because I want to grow it again next year. Lots of seeds in there, quite oily. I'm just going to take the seeds out. Right, quite a bit of oil in there, and the smell is fantastic, strong. Right, there it goes. Hot straight away. Straight to the back of the throat. Not much of a flavour, not very sweet. Reasonably hot, and it's a grower. Hiccups. I can feel my eyes burning. And it's all going around the mouth. My eyes just started streaming, but it's focused in the front of the mouth, all around the tongue and the lips.
Mum, that's also
And it's getting hotter.
What's that hotter?
Don't think it was hot as one of Bob Fett's, not my hug shot. But again, quite a hot pod. Thanks.